Hey there, my friend. This is Paul Hutchings. Thank you so much for watching my rental property versus flipping video. I really appreciate it. And one of the things that's happened in the market as I make this video here is real estate prices across the country have skyrocketed, making it a lot harder for people to get started in real estate. And so one of the things that I've noticed is that there are a lot of people out there who are looking for ways to build passive income without having to incur huge costs and huge debt and huge risk. And so what I wanted to do in this video is give you something to look at if you're serious about building passive income and you want to do it in a way that's not going to put you at risk or cost a lot of money. And the thing that I want to share with you is a business model that I created a number of years ago because I have a passion for helping people to build residual income so they can be free in life. I created this business model specifically for that. And when you take a look at it, I also want to give you a free bonus gift just for taking a peek. And the free bonus gift is a guide. It's a book that a good friend of mine wrote. His name is Nick, and the book is called The 30-Minute Workday. And the goal of the book is to teach you how to build an income and a lifestyle where you can earn the money that you want to earn and do it in as little as 30 minutes per day so that your time can be freed up to do the things that you want to do. So if you want to check out the business model and also pick up this free gift in the process, head on over to pipelinemoney.com. That's pipelinemoney.com. I'll also include a link right below this video in the description. You can click that link and go there. Put your contact information in on the first page. You'll see a video of me on the very next page giving you instructions on what to do next. And you'll also receive that bonus guide, the 30-Minute Workday. So thanks for watching. Head on over to pipelinemoney.com right now. Whatever you do, always go for your dreams. Take care and bye for now.